Welcome to Proprietà Nestore, an exclusive country estate between Todi and Perugia, where Umbrian tradition meets contemporary design. Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Great Estate. Today, I'll guide you through this unique hospitality business with two beautifully restored buildings surrounded by over 60 hectares of cultivated land. Set in the heart of Umbria, Proprietà Nestore is a peaceful retreat immersed in nature, gently touched by the Nestore River, and just a stone's throw from the medieval village of Morcella, between Perugia and Todi. The estate extends over 60 hectares of fertile land, a landscape of soft hills, fields, and ancient trees that frame this remarkable hospitality property. Our tour begins with the main farmhouse, Il Casale. Let's step inside and look at the main area. The ground floor has been carefully restored and now includes two charming independent apartments, both currently used to host the guests of the agriturismo. The interior of this typical Umbrian farmhouse welcomes you with a rustic, cozy atmosphere steeped in history. You'll also find a spacious living hall and storage rooms, which could easily be converted into additional living spaces. The upper level is already structurally prepared for further renovation, the ideal opportunity to expand the living area or create new guest suites. Just a few steps from the main farmhouse, the old drying house, La Seccatoio, is a masterpiece of design and light. Spread over 3 floors, this building offers an extraordinary modern contrast to the rustic farmhouse. On the ground floor, an independent apartment features a bright living space, a cozy kitchen corner, a double bedroom and bathroom. Upstairs, the true essence of the loft reveals itself. An open-plan living space with a striking staircase leading the eye up to the exposed beams of the roof. Here, the atmosphere is airy and contemporary, with 1 bedroom and bathroom on each level and stunning views over the garden and countryside. The property also features a magnificent heated pool overlooking the charming hilltop village of Morcella and surrounded by the lush greenery of Umbria. With over 60 hectares of cultivated land, Proprietà Nestore offers an authentic immersion in the Umbrian countryside, in contact with unspoiled nature, both for those who might have the luxury of living here and for their guests. Whether you envision continuing the agriturismo activity or transforming the property into a private residence, the potential is exceptional. Nature hikes, tastings of delicious local products, yoga retreats, and wellness experiences are just some of the luxuries that will make you fall even more in love with the lifestyle offered by this property. Thank you for joining me at Proprietà Nestore. If you'd like to receive more information about this estate or schedule a private visit, visit our website or contact the Great Estate team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tours on Italy's most beautiful properties.